Endpoint Detection and Response, or EDR, is the next evolution in a highly dynamic endpoint protection market. While not a new category, EDR solutions have typically been used by very large organizations with sophisticated, highly trained, and highly paid IT staffs. EDR is not a protection technology. Rather, it is advanced detection designed to find latent threats within an organization. Sophos Intercept X Advanced with EDR makes endpoint detection and response accessible to organizations of all sizes. It does this in three ways. First, typical EDR solutions put little to no focus on protection, instead collecting as much data as possible and then relying upon well-paid analysts to sort through it. This introduces a lot of noise into the system. At Sophos, we believe in a protection-first strategy. By initially filtering data through the world's best endpoint protection, we eliminate the noise. Next, we leverage our best-in-class deep learning technology in order to automatically surface and prioritize suspicious events, making it easier to focus on what needs further attention. With traditional EDR solutions, most of this work is handled by a team of analysts, often a security analyst, a malware analyst, and a threat analyst at the very least. With EDR from Sophos, we use artificial intelligence to automate these analyst roles, effectively giving IT teams of all skill levels what amounts to experts in a box, making it easier to understand where real threats are happening. Finally, once threats are surfaced and prioritized, our EDR solution builds a threat case and maps out how to deal with it. Admins get an easy-to-read overview of the threat, how it got into the organization, and what it touched. There are then very clear next steps, such as isolating a machine from the network to prevent lateral movement, and a statewide search to see if the threat exists on other machines, the ability to clean up the threat across the organization, and to block all future occurrences as well. So those three things, protection first, experts in a box, and guided investigation, make EDR from Sophos much easier to use, vastly more accessible, and a far better value than other EDR solutions on the market.